RJG CoPilot Menu Options, Process Logs. The CoPilot Process Logs are a basic overview of details regarding the outputs of a particular job. To access the process logs, select the three-line menu at the upper left of the screen. And from the list of options that appear, select Process Logs. Here, on the Process Logs page, the information shown includes machine name, mold name, process name, job started, job ended, and reject over total cycles. The time frame for the data that can be viewed is either the last 8 hours or the last 24 hours. For our example, we are currently viewing the last 8 hours. For both of the processes listed, the machine name, mold name, and process name is test. For the first process listed, the job started in 2025, November the 19th at 15 hours, 10 minutes, and 12 seconds, and ended in 2025, November the 19th at 15 hours, 14 minutes, and 9 seconds. In the last 8 hours, this process produced 11 rejects, over 11 total cycles. For the second process listed, the job started in 2025, October 29th at 14 hours, 34 minutes, and 24 seconds, and ended in 2025, November the 19th at 15 hours, 9 minutes, and 32 seconds. In the last 8 hours, this process produced 126 rejects, over 1,441 total cycles. If we wanted to view the process details for the last 24 hours, we can select the time drop-down at the top center of the page and select Last 24 Hours. With the last 24 hours selected, we can see that the process information regarding the number of rejects over total cycles has changed. In the last 24 hours, the first process produced 12 rejects over 12 total cycles. And for the second process for our example, in the last 24 hours, it produced 381 rejects over 4,553 total cycles. For our example, let's say we are only interested in the last 8 hours, so let's change the time frame back to that by selecting the time drop-down on the top middle of the screen and then selecting Last 8 Hours. Now that we are back to the last 8 hours of data, let's take a look at some additional detail regarding one of the processes. To do this, we can select the I-shaped button at the end of a process row. For our example, we'll look at the additional detail for the second process. After selecting the I-shaped button for the second process, the additional information appears. This information includes details about alarms, which include alarm type, how many times the process went below limit, how many times the process went above limit, and how many errors. This detail also includes any notes regarding the process in the selected time frame. For our example, the second process shows an alarm type of a cycle time alarm, where the process went below the set limit 0 times, above the set limit 126 times, and had 0 errors. We can also see that no notes were added during this time frame. After obtaining this information from the process log detail, we can collapse the expanded view by selecting the X at the end of the process row. Now we see the collapsed view of the available process logs for this job. To go to any other CoPilot menu option or to the job dashboard, select the three-line menu option on the top left of the screen. Thank you for watching this video regarding CoPilot menu options, process logs. For further assistance, please refer to the product manual or contact our customer support department at support@rjginc.com or by calling 1-800-472-0566.